Vultures are one of the ugliest animals. Their bald heads are not very attractive. However, they look ugly, but they have a purpose. The bald head helps vultures to poke their heads into rotting corpses without fear of bacteria sticking to their feathers. Vultures also have rough feet, just like their bald heads. Their rough feet also have their own purpose. When they bite into a piece of tough meat, they will open their feet to the maximum to create a stable position and have more force. On the other hand, although they are ugly and do dirty work, vultures are representatives of environmental protection because they specialize in collecting rotten corpses and eating them clean, creating a clean environment. When observed closely, lemurs look like a combination of 5 different animals. Scientists classify lemurs as rodents even though they are primates. This lemur has the teeth of a rabbit, the fur of a wild boar, the tail of a fox, and the ears of a bat. The most impressive thing is the eyes, which are very similar to human eyes but too big. The ugly shape of lemurs also has its own purpose. On their hands, they have very long middle fingers. Lemurs often look for larvae, and to get larvae, lemurs use their fingers to lightly tap the bark of trees. By listening to the echoing sound, the lemur knows whether there are larvae inside or not. Then, it uses its rabbit teeth to bite the bark, and finally it uses its small and long middle finger to hook and pull the larvae out of the tree trunk. One of the reasons why this lemur is so strange is that it does not resemble anyone else. The naked mole rat has a combination of characteristics that humans do not like. Both the body shape and the skin are very ugly, especially the skin. As the name suggests, this rat has no hair. They look like they are not fully developed. The skin is hairless, which means it is very difficult for them to maintain a stable body temperature. Because of this, they cannot live on the ground, but have to dig burrows and live in a maze of burrows in the moist ground. Another feature that makes this monkey one of the ugliest animals is its pot-sized belly. The reason is that their stomach is divided into many compartments, each containing a different type of enzyme to digest food. Since leaves do not have many nutrients, monkeys spend all day picking leaves to fill their multi-compartment stomachs, which makes their stomachs even bigger. This native bird of Kenya has no good features. The first bad point of this bird is its oversized shoe-like beak. The second bad point is its body size. It is 1.35 meters tall. It looks exactly like a dinosaur. The way this shoebill stork hunts is also strange. It stands patiently waiting when the prey appears. It looks intently at the prey, then brings its shoebill close to the prey. When the distance is enough, it bites the prey, then falls into the water. However, the stork does not always catch the prey. Sometimes it only gets mud and grass.